everyone, today I'm trading Solana on new exchange BYDFi. Look at the 1-minute chart. Here's where I open my long position. The price started to go up, as you can see. We're just waiting for the pump to come. I'm not afraid. You just have to be patient and wait for your trade. So the direction right now is long and I'm waiting for my trade. You should be very calm when you are trading, even when you are down on your trade. Let me scroll up and see what we have on the chart. The candle is still green. The last green candle on the 1 minute is getting weak and it becomes smaller than the previous candle. When you see this, it means the red candle should appear next on the chart. Did you see that? As I predicted, it's a red candle. Did you see that? Unbelievable. Look at this one, our candle. It's big green candle and it means we have strong long direction. And now let's scroll down to check on my trade. I'm up 30%. Now let me scroll up again. The direction is still long on the 1 hour. Let's look on the 1 minute. It's all red candles. Let me scroll down again. I'm still 31% up on my trade. You can look at my entry price on the right side. I enter at 97. Now the price is at 98. What do you think? Should I close the trade or should I wait for more profit? I think I should wait because the price is still going up. Look at my percentage. I'm still up 36%. Now it's 34%. I should wait and focus on my percentage. If it's going up, I stay. If not, I'll close my trade. I keep looking at my percentage. Now it's going up to 42%, 41%, 43%. Now let's scroll up again to see what happened on the chart. It's all red candles on the chart. Now I will only focus on my percentage. I'm waiting and waiting for the right moment to close my trade. Waiting for the perfect moment to close my trade. Now I don't know for how long it will take to close this trade. I don't want to make this video long, but let's wait a little bit and see what happened. This is one of the hard part in trading. You should be very calm and don't afraid. If the profit keeps slipping, I am out. Now it's 43%, 33%. That's it. Time to click on market close. Confirm close and boom, that's how you close your trade. Thanks for watching. See you next time.